Hello everyone. I wanted to create a short video to show you how to manually push customers from eHome America into the eHome America client management system, mPact Pro. Now, if you are a eHome America customer who is using the client management system, mPact Pro, your customers will automatically push into from eHome America into mPact Pro. So there's no manual work required on your part at all in that scenario. But if for some reason a customer push did fail, or you had customers that had registered for eHome America prior to activating your mPact Pro account, then you would need to go in and manually push those customers if you wanted them to be in the client management system. So I'm logged in here with my demo group, Homeownership Centers for America, with my group admin account. I can go into a customer profile. I'm just going to open one here. And I can look at this user's information. So I'm sure the screen is very familiar to you as counselors. There are three actual pushes from eHome America into mPact Pro for each customer. The first push contains their contact information. So this screen of information here, their name, email, phone number, and address. The second push is their intake information. So all of the information they complete as part of the eHome America intake, including any lender information, is included in the second push. And then the third push is their course completion date. Now, in this example of this customer, they have not finished the course, so I'm not going to do push 3. But if I go down on the user view on the left, I see that there is an option here called API information, and I can open that. Now, for most of your customers who registered after your mPact Pro account was active, this information is already filled out. All that information is done automatically for all of those customers. But if you had customers that registered prior to your account and you wanted to add them to your mPact Pro account, you could go into the API information screen and you'll probably see a screen that looks like this. It'll say that there's no API sent for this customer, but there's a button here to manually send API 1. So this is that contact information for the customer. So I click that and then I get a message that says the API is sending. I can then, at that point, it is sending that information over to mPact Pro. I can wait a few seconds. I can refresh the screen, and then I will get a course and then a date and timestamp, as well as an mPact Pro ID that lets me know that this push occurred successfully. For this customer, there's no error message, and I can then move on to the next push. So then it gives me the option to push API 2. Again, same thing occurs. I see the existing API call, and I can refresh the screen, and it'll show me that the second one was done and returns me a value. And that lets me know that that second push has occurred successfully as well. Now, I'm not going to push 3 because this customer has not completed the course. But had this customer completed the course, I could push 3. It would return to me a third API call that was successful. And this customer's done. You could move on to any other customers that you wanted to manually push. That's basically the process, very simple. If you have any questions, certainly let us know.